Everybody, my name is Yogo, and today I'm gonna show you about how to import and create using AI from your Figma design. So the first time that I taught on Figma, I really likes the possibility to create prototypes in a software that run on browser and all the features that are amazing on Figma. But one problem we have as a developer is sometimes we want to test our projects and not only to prototype ideas. And I remember some years ago I tried to draw one idea to extract SVG to HTML. It was too hard to do that. But in that time my desire was to extract my idea and put this on the code. And now this week we have this possibility available using AI. Bold.new launched a possibility to import your prototype from Figma into the code. So let's go to check this and how possibility it opens for us. So here on my Bold New, I needed to give it the access for my Figma, and then I can to click here and copy and paste my Figma design and how it works. For example, I have this idea, one calc of beer, and I need just to click in the layer that I want to create my application, and I need to copy the link of my selection and go back into the bold new. I will just to paste this, and I will click and import Figma frame into bold. So now the magic will happens, and Figma and bold will create and generate a code with my idea. So all we need to do is to wait, and the magic will be happening in the screen. So we have here our application with the same design that I built on Figma. That it's totally amazing because it open opportunities to test more faster your ideas. Of course, let's take a look inside the code generated. If you look the details, it seems be let me check. Yeah, it is a React project. The platform built one React project. So I believe in the future, the possibility to choose what framework I want to build from Figma, it's better. So, but it is the first step for the new generation of possibilities to create applications from our prototype using Figma. That it's totally amazing. Of course, as I said, if you take a look on the components on the organization, probably uh, you will notice that you have a little messy on the code, but it is opportunity to for example test um, your MVP, or you have a small task that you want to put on production on, you want to put live. That is one good possibility. And here on both new, of course you have tokens, you have a level of free use. If you chat here, our subscription free will consume these tokens, and the initial plan is $20 per month. For Brazilian, it's too expensive right now. But the motivation of this video is to show for you the possibilities that are coming for developers right now. So if you wanna open new possibilities, sometimes, for example, this idea, it was one idea that I prototyped some years ago, and I never put this online. And now I have the idea here, and with a little of creativity, I am totally able to convert this application for Angular, for example, so that it's totally amazing and open a new generation of possibilities. I would like to know your opinion about this. I believe both new it's game changer in this new generation of AI possibilities to extract idea from not only Figma but softwares that we have right now to prototype and to put this idea on production, and avoiding a lot of work that front-end developers like me needed to, open Figma, take a look, and open my cursor or VS Code and code, and again, and expend a lot of time, extracting the idea. I believe in the future we have it more cheaper for developers, and this possibility will open a new level for developers of the productivity. So that it's my opinion. So thank you so much for watch this video. Let me just to show you that it's my application that I don't code any line and the AI build for me. Of course, as I explained, the code not cannot be the better code to organize and to grow, but that is a new possibility for developer test your MVPs or your ideas more faster.